Today, we're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. From the moment you wake up and check your phone's weather forecast to the way your favorite streaming service recommends that next binge-worthy show, AI is all around us, silently influencing our daily lives. But with this growing presence comes a lot of confusion and misinformation. Fear not, curious minds. Today, we're here to shed light on the truth by debunking common myths and misconceptions about AI. So, grab a snack, settle in, and get ready to have your mind blown. Myth 1. AI will take over the world. This one's a classic. Hollywood loves a good robot uprising story, but in reality, AI is more like a superpowered tool. It can learn and adapt at an incredible pace, but it lacks the independent thought, consciousness, and frankly, the malice of a fictional supervillain. AI systems are designed to follow specific instructions and complete tasks within a predefined framework. They're powerful collaborators, but not autonomous conquerors. Myth 2. AI is unbiased. Think again. While AI can be incredibly efficient at analyzing data and making decisions, it's important to remember that these systems are only as unbiased as the data they're trained on. Humans create these data sets, and humans, well, can be biased. This means that if an AI system is trained on data that reflects societal prejudices, it can perpetuate those biases in its outputs. To ensure fairness and prevent discrimination, developers need to be very careful about the data they use and the algorithms they design. Myth 3. AI understands everything you say. Not quite. Speech recognition technology has come a long way, but AI can still struggle with things like sarcasm, accents, and complex language. Imagine trying to understand a conversation filled with pop culture references and inside jokes. That's the kind of challenge AI faces when dealing with natural human speech. While AI can get pretty good at understanding basic instructions and keywords, it's still a work in progress when it comes to deciphering the full nuances of human communication. Myth 4. Robots are coming for all our jobs. This is a big concern for many people, and with good reason. Automation powered by AI is transforming industries. However, it's important to remember that AI is more likely to create new job opportunities than eliminate them entirely. Think of it as a collaborator, not a competitor. AI can take over repetitive tasks, freeing us up to focus on more creative, strategic endeavors. New fields like AI development, data analysis, and cybersecurity are booming, demanding skilled professionals to navigate this evolving landscape. Myth 5. There's one type of AI that does everything. The world of AI is much more diverse than you might think. Just like different tools have different uses, there are different types of AI for different tasks. We have machine learning for complex pattern recognition, natural language processing for understanding human language, computer vision for analyzing images and videos, and the list goes on. Each type of AI is specifically designed to excel in a particular area, making it a powerful toolbox for tackling a wide range of challenges. Myth 6. Understanding AI requires a PhD in rocket science. This is a common misconception that keeps people from exploring the fascinating world of AI. The truth is, the basic concepts of AI are becoming increasingly accessible. There are tons of online resources, courses, and even YouTube channels dedicated to explaining AI in a clear and engaging way. So, don't be intimidated by the technical jargon. With a little curiosity and some readily available resources, you can gain a solid understanding of how AI works and its potential impact on the world around you. Myth 7. AI is only for big companies and tech giants. Think again. The days of AI being an exclusive club for Googles and Amazons of the world are fading. The good news is that there are plenty of affordable AI tools and platforms available for businesses of all sizes. From automating marketing tasks to streamlining customer service interactions, AI can be a game changer for startups and small businesses alike. Myth 8. AI is here to replace doctors and lawyers. While AI can be a powerful tool for medical diagnosis and legal research, it's important to remember that it lacks the human touch and critical thinking skills necessary to replace doctors, lawyers, and other professionals who rely on judgment and empathy. AI can analyze data and identify patterns that might escape the human eye, but it can't replace the human element of patient care, legal representation, or any other field that requires complex ethical considerations. Myth 9. AI is a black box, we can't understand how it works. This is a concern often raised by those wary of AI. While some AI systems, particularly those involving deep learning, can be complex, there's a growing movement towards explainable AI, XAI. XAI focuses on developing AI systems that are transparent and allow humans to understand the reasoning behind their decisions. This is crucial for building trust in AI and ensuring its responsible use. Myth 10. AI is only about science fiction gadgets and robots. While robots and self-driving cars are exciting advancements, the applications of AI go far beyond the realm of science fiction. AI is already being used in a variety of ways to improve our lives, from optimizing traffic flow in cities to personalizing our learning experiences. The possibilities are truly endless, and AI is poised to revolutionize fields as diverse as healthcare, finance, and environmental science. Myth 11. There are no ethical concerns with AI development. The rapid development of AI raises a number of ethical considerations. Bias in training data, as mentioned earlier, can lead to discriminatory outcomes. The potential for job displacement due to automation needs to be carefully addressed. We also need to have open discussions about the development and use of autonomous weapon systems. Developing ethical guidelines and fostering open dialogue will be crucial as AI continues to integrate into our society. Myth 12. There's nothing we can do to influence AI development. Absolutely not. The way AI evolves depends on the choices we make today. Supporting responsible AI development, advocating for ethical frameworks, and getting involved in the conversation can all make a difference. There are also organizations dedicated to promoting responsible AI development that you can support or get involved with. Myth 13. AI is moving at a snail's pace. AI development is happening at an astonishing rate. While some challenges remain, we're constantly witnessing breakthroughs in areas like machine learning and natural language processing. The impact of AI is already being felt in many industries, and it's only going to accelerate in the coming years. Myth 14. AI will make us dumber. AI is a tool to augment human intelligence, not replace it. By automating repetitive tasks and providing us with valuable insights from data analysis, AI can free up our mental energy for more creative and strategic endeavors. A world with AI doesn't have to be a world devoid of critical thinking. It can be a world where humans and machines work together to solve complex problems and achieve amazing things. Myth 15. AI is a threat to humanity. This is perhaps the most dramatic myth of all. AI is a powerful tool, and like any powerful tool, it can be used for good or bad. The future of AI depends on the choices we make today. By fostering responsible development, prioritizing ethical considerations, and ensuring transparency, we can harness the power of AI to create a better future for all. Myth number 16. No jobs in AI? Think again. While programmers are needed, there are opportunities for AI ethicists, project managers, content creators, UX designers, and marketing specialists. Myth number 17. Learning about AI is a waste of time. No matter your field of work or personal interests, AI is likely to have some impact on your life. Understanding the basics of AI can empower you to make informed decisions about the technology you use, advocate for responsible AI development, and even explore career opportunities in this rapidly growing field. Remember, AI is a journey, not a destination. There's still so much to learn and discover. Let me know in the comments below which myth surprised you the most and what questions you still have about AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Talk AI. And if you're interested in learning more about AI, check out the links in the description below to some great resources.